So we're continuing this area. We got the actual tall grass, the taller stuff. Right now it's super wet, and with the sun growing, you know, if you leave it for a couple more days, it's just gonna, this stuff right here is just gonna skyrocket, and it's just gonna get worse and worse. So we're gonna cut this down, try to get this entire little section done, maybe up to like this point or something. We'll see what we can do. So we're at the conclusion for today's video. I'm not going to be able to get all this stuff done, but I have to do that tomorrow morning because right now it's just too hot. I'm not used to the heat with the humidity right now, so I'm slowly adjusting to it. And I can even, as I'm using the machine, as I'm cutting with the FS131, you can literally feel how like the heat, it slows it down. Like the performance is going down because the machine, you know, isn't cooling down fast enough. Kind of like computers, how they also, you know, they need to be cooled down. When they heat up, they start, you know, slowing down. Same thing here. And I can even see it in myself, you know. Like you're just walking around, you know, you're feeling that heat, you're feeling drowsy. But, you know, this is a pretty good area that we just did. I don't really know how long it took, but, you know, the change, the before and after, it's pretty impressive because I bet you didn't know there's a tree right there, tree right there, that little tree right there, this entire part. I'm going to show you why this little area is flooded. So there's a little creek, waterway or whatever. And so in the spring, this thing just fills up like crazy and it's, you know, it gets pretty flooded. The other problem is that the drain or the thing hasn't been cleaned out in a long time, like maybe 20 years. So when it gets, you know, when it's spring and starts raining, it gets backed up pretty hard. But I don't know if you can tell by that tree right there. It's already dropped about 1.5 inches so far. I'm not sure. Well, yeah, I noticed the difference that it dropped, but you know, guess whatever. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good night. God bless each and every one of you. Bye.